Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to give you simulation how fade in and fade out can turn your video much more better. So you just need to open your CapCut here. So I use this fade in and fade out the most for my opening video and ending of the video, because this is what will you look before fade in and fade out. It's right away straight into the videos, the way how it play. But then whenever you add this fade in and fade out, let's just see what it will be. Tap into this clip and go tap into this animation and just go straight into the in, and now we just need to go found the fade in, adjusting the duration the way how you can apply the animations into your video. That's for the fade in. Now if you want to find the fade out, tap into the out one, and then you just need to find the fade out, and also adjusting the durations the way how it will start, and then go checklist button. Now this is the result. So the video will slowly appear and then got the perfect or normal intensities looks, and whenever the video is going to be end, that also will slowly going darker and disappear. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again into other tutorial.